Hello, my wonderful engineers. Today, we're going to be going over another phone accessory. We're going to be looking at how to make phone cases. So let's start by grabbing our scale model of our phone, and we're going to copy this into a new design. So we're going to select our scale model of our phone, and we can press Control C to copy it. There's also this copy button up here that you can click on. Now that it's copied, we can open up a new design and start making our phone case. So I can click Create New Design. And as with all my videos, I'm going to go through each step relatively quickly. Just try to watch, follow along with what I'm doing. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out over email. If you miss a step, you can always go back, rewind it. If you already know what you're doing, you can zoom on through the video. I'm going to hit Control V. Since I already copied it, I can press Control V to paste it in. If Control V doesn't paste it in, it likely means you did not copy it correctly. Now that I have my phone, I need two things. I need a phone case, so I'm going to hit Control C and Control V. So one of these is going to be the actual plastic that makes up the phone case, the solid object, and one of them is going to be a hole that makes up the space where my phone is going to go in the phone case. So let's start by making the hole. So we know that this is the exact same size as our phone. We know that the hole should be the exact same size as our phone. So we can make this one a hole. And we need the actual case to be slightly bigger. So we can hold Shift and increase this. We can scale it all up as little as we can. So now we have a slightly larger object. We want to align these things so that they're right on top of each other. So let's center them using our center alignment, as we've done many times before. And if you missed that, you could always watch it again and again, maybe put the video in slow motion. And now we're going to use a slightly newer alignment. We're going to use a center vertical alignment. So we're aligning them vertically. We're aligning them in the center up and down. So we're going to do that too. Then we're going to group them together. And what we see when we do that is what looks like just a shape without a hole in it. So where did my hole go? Well, since my hole was a little smaller than my shape, my entire hole is inside of this shape. But that's good. That's kind of what we want. We now have a shape that's shaped just like our phone, but with the difference being that it has a hole inside of it where our phone would go. Now we're going to need a couple more things. The thing everyone's going to need is they're going to need to cut a hole out, and that's going to be the hole that we put our phone into. And this plastic that we use is a lot less, it's a bit less bendable than the very soft rubbery plastic they use for normal phone cases. So when we make the hole to put our thing in, we're going to leave it completely open on the bottom so that we can slide our phone in through there. So we're going to make this a hole. We're going to align by selecting both of our shapes. We're going to center align it, and we're going to center align it. I'm actually going to bring this back down a little bit so that I can get my phone into there a little bit easier. Now I'm going to group these together, and that's going to be my phone case. Let's see how it looks. So we have a hole in there. That's the size of the phone. We have these little narrow lips. You can see them here on 3 of the sides. Those will hold our phone in place when they're on our phone case. But this front side over here doesn't have that, and I don't know how well that shows up. So let's maybe look at a different angle. Takes a while to zoom in on this. But we can see that we don't have that lip on this bottom piece. Or if we do, maybe it's very, very small. And the reason for that is to more easily get our phone in to our phone case. But we do actually have a little small lip there. Maybe I'll make that hole a little bit bigger and then regroup it. Anyway, once you do this, you guys could add details of your own. You could add things like holes for your camera, decorations, or other things, and personalize your phone case however you want. That's it for phone cases. Go crazy. Add holes for your camera. Add little logos. Make a Gucci phone case. Whatever you guys want, you go for it. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, shoot me an email. I'll see you all later. Bye.